Hello everyone, welcome my YouTube channel. Disclaimer. The opinion expressed here is not investment advice. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest crypto news and price predictions. Here's how much Dogecoin now held by Robinhood. Details according to Twitter account at @DogeWhaleAlert. The current total combined amount of Dogecoin held by stock brokerage app Robinhood on behalf of its investors is 40,508,384,607 Doge, or $2,518,365,763, which represents 29.7% of the circulating supply. As reported by Today, the Dogecoin team debunked the myth that a whale or private investor held nearly 30% of the Dogecoin supply. It states that many of the top Dogecoin wallets are cold wallets or hot wallets controlled by exchanges and brokers, and they thus represent Dogecoin held in custody for thousands of people. Dogecoin developer addresses rumors, a recurrent notion that has persisted in Dogecoin development over the past 2 years, as that proof of stake may eventually replace proof of work. This was noted in a recent blog post by Dogecoin core developer Chromatic X. He makes it clear that there are presently no firm intentions or suggestions to depart from the proof of work implementation used by Dogecoin. He argues that there are currently no grounds for believing any prediction that this would ever occur or that there is a deadline by which it might. He added, "It's irresponsible to suggest otherwise. If such a thing were to happen, the core developers should know about it, and the core developers should be transparent and direct about it." Dogecoin community-focused Twitter account Mishabor reports an update on Dogecoin core development provided by Patrick Lauder. He indicates that 1.14.7 might be released this year, including new features, and 1.21, on which Doge's future might be built, could come out in March 2023. And biggest movers. Doge, XRP hit highest point since late September. Dogecoin was trading near its highest point since late September on Wednesday, as prices rose for a second straight day. The rally comes as the meme coin continues to trade above a key resistance level, following a breakout on Tuesday. XRP was also in the green today, trading close to a 1-week high. Dogecoin, Dogecoin, Doge, was one of today's notable movers, as the meme coin hit its highest level in over a week. Following a low of $0.0606 on Tuesday, Doge USD rallied to an intraday high of $0.06646 earlier today. The move saw the token continue to trade above a resistance level of $0.0640, hitting its strongest point since September 24. Looking at the chart, it can be seen that prices have declined, which came as the 14-day Relative Strength Index, RSI, hit a resistance point of 60.00. This collision has since prompted traders to exit previous positions, securing earlier profits in the process. The meme coin continues to trade above its $0.0640 level, with the 10-day, red, moving average also trending upwards, which could be a sign of further gains to come. XRP. Another relatively big mover on Hump Day was XRP, which also rose close to a 1-week high in today's session. XRP USD hit a high of $0.4938 earlier, which came as prices of the token rose for a third consecutive day. This rise in price saw XRP hit its highest point since September 30th, and it moved closer to a key resistance level in the process. Looking at the chart, the token edged closer to this $0.510 mark, which hasn't been hit since September 25th. As of writing, earlier gains have somewhat faded, which comes as the RSI looks set to hit a ceiling of 62.00. Should the index move past this point, then there is a strong possibility that XRP will continue to climb higher. Crypto stocks. Coinbase, MicroStrategy pop as Bitcoin, Luna, Dogecoin and Ethereum try to bottom. Crypto stocks continue on the recovery path as the risk-off sentiment that hammered equity markets begins to ease. In fact, the crypto space held up reasonably well in this equity sell-off, with Bitcoin never breaking prior lows. This was possibly a decoupling with the Nasdaq and other high-duration equities, a fancy way of saying interest rate-sensitive equities. The Nasdaq and Bitcoin, for example, have been highly correlated this year, but the last equity sell-off was not accompanied by a fall in the Bitcoin price. Evidence of the relationship uncoupling would possibly be good news for the crypto space, as valuations look challenging for Nasdaq-listed stocks as a whole. Below we outline some possible bottom formations in Bitcoin, Ethereum and Dogecoin. Bitcoin is the most interesting with a triangle formation that could see a breakout. Thursday so far has seen Bitcoin rise above the key psychological level of $20,000, which could signal a larger risk on move. The market's focus recently has improved due to some central banks slowing the pace of interest rate rises and pivoting to bond buying. Expectations for higher rates from the Federal Reserve have retreated lower, all of which is helping risk assets recover. All this relative positivity has seen crypto stocks stabilize. Coinbase, Coin, MicroStrategy, MSTR, and Riot Blockchain, Riot stocks are up 13% in the past month, while Marathon Digital, MARA, has advanced 18%. Compare this to the Nasdaq, which is down 4% from a month ago, even including the recent sharp 2-day rally. Coinbase stock forecast. Coin stock is starting to look interesting with a triangle breakout pattern that could target the last major high at $116.30. As we can clearly see though, the downtrend for the year remains powerful, and it will be a difficult job convincing longer-term players to re-enter. Good day to everyone.